In this video, I'm going to show you how to block a YouTube channel. For this, first, open YouTube. After clicking on YouTube, YouTube will be open in front of you. Once it's open, here we will see how we can block a YouTube channel. For this, just click on three dots right here. After tapping the three dots, a small format will appear in front of you. Right here, you will see a button labeled Not Interested. If you do not like this video, you can click on this, and that kind of video will not appear in front of you. If you want to remove a channel from your browsing, for this, you can choose the button below that says Don't Recommend Channel. After clicking on it, any video from that channel will not appear in front of you. If you want to avoid a person or user, for this, just click on the channel button. After clicking on the channel, it will be open in front of you. Right here, for blocking the user, you will see a button at the top, three dots. Click on it. After clicking here, you will see a button that says Hide Yourself from My Channel. Click on it. After clicking, a small format will open in front of you. Here, if you click on Hide User, click on it. After clicking, that kind of user will not appear in front of you in the future. That's the way to block a YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, please like it. And for supporting, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.